makes her in the wrong. Ma'am Nanette has deep knowledge of the subject matter and pedagogy. In her lessons, she applies various teaching strategies. She has also awareness of educational research and best practices. She has proficiency in setting clear goals. As a leader, she can inspire and motivate students, teachers, most of all, the people in the community. She has competence in making data-driven decisions and has educational expertise in mentoring and coaching. Ma'am Nanette is very committed to lifelong learning and inclusive environment. Above all, she has emotional intelligence. She is honest, kind, compassionate, a problem solver, and is very generous of her resources and Sandra.
Isip pamahan din sa galing na akong nakita ang iyang performance na usan akong tabak sa among pamilya. Gabi na sa among pag-meeting sa Barangay Development Council, ang iyang pag-atunga o pag-attend sa among meeting, adunay gusto na maka-affiliate siya o maka-lambibit siya sa iyang mga idea. Isip kong pag-ituri sa akin. Isip na na, salamat sa iya o usap. Ang iyang participate ko diri sa among barangay Laguna sa among pag-judge diri naging ang up na clean and contest, communal garden contest, backyard garden contest. Usa ka gamay na lihok pero dakong at natabang sa among barangay. So ma'am, thank you kay ma'am. Pinilita tell Lara sa among suporta kanang proud kay ang barangay Laguna sa inyong tapos kayo. Maayong punta.